Avalanche marketing tip. This is Rico. What's the tip today? Screaming Yellow Zonkers. Screaming Yellow Zonkers. Screaming Yellow Zonkers. Crispy, butter, glazed popcorn snacks. What is this one? This is the limited edition 3 of 4 box. They're back. They're back. Look at what they have on the limited edition. Writing, miss me? See, they were by Lincoln Snacks, and now they're by Kangara Foods, but they've been gone for several years. And if you're a caramel corn eater, they're kind of buttery. What's this? They've always had funny stuff going on. So what does the box say? You may have noticed that we've been gone for a while, but you can blame Bill for that one. He's one of those bottom of the box kernels that's missing some of his buttery glaze. If you know what I mean. He decided we needed to get out of this box and go on a trip to find ourselves. It was somewhere between here and there. We had our aha moment. We had it good, really good, so we came back. Screaming back to the good life. That's what's on the box. The box is fun. Miss me. Bottom of the box says open the other end, the light from the camera. Open the other end. Let's see. There we go. This end down. Open other end. There's your box. I was in Walgreens the other day. Saw them. Now the old box used to be 5 ounces, and the new box right now is 3 ounces. But they're still here. Look at that. Let's take it out of the box. There's the bag. Take the bag out. See what it looks like. That's the Screaming Yellow Zonkers. Screaming Yellow Zonkers. Look at that. Screaming. Screaming Yellow Zonkers. They're good. Screaming Yellow Zonkers. Look at that. Buttery. Good. Let's make it easy. See? Screaming Yellow Zonkers. Wow. Very good. Sorry if you smacked them. This will be a longer video because the Screaming Yellow Zonkers. Look. Real good. Nope. A little bit of orange juice, wash it down. See, drink down the orange juice. Some more Screaming Yellow Zonker. Very good. Okay. As you see, as you can hear, hopefully you can hear the flavor and my enjoyment of eating the Screaming Yellow Zonkers. Got mine at Walgreens. Don't know where they are in your neighborhood. Take a look. Give them a try. Old school. Rico here with your Avalanche marketing tip.